Hey class, good evening everyone. So how are you all doing today? I hope all of you are doing awesome and all of your preparation for NTSE is going smooth as well with us. So keep preparing, keep working hard, and I assure all of you will get good marks in your mental ability paper, which many students find it difficult. So till now we have completed many topics and I hope all of you have enjoyed those sessions, and the response I get is very overwhelming. So I'm really thankful to all the dear students which are out there, which are really waiting for this and which are eagerly preparing for NTSE, and I do wish that all of you will come out with a great success out there. Okay, so this is all my wishes from my side to you, and keep working hard, keep working smart, and we will achieve our goal. As you know, I have told you that we will achieve our goal. Okay bachcho, so let's start today's session and with Lakshya NTSE series, which is let's crack it. Okay, we'll crack the NTSE part. So bachcho, this is the schedule which we are following right now. So today's topic is counting number of figures and input output. The next topic will be statement, assumption and conclusion. The next topic will be statement, assumption and conclusion. So this is the topics for the week, and the next class will be going with basics of number system and figure series. Okay, and the next part will be paper folding, unfolding, cutting and dot situation. So these two topics are quite easy, so I would request all of you to prepare these topics in advance, so that when we are discussing the problems here, you'll get to know what are the difficulties which you might get. Okay, and any question out of these coming sessions, which you have already solved and you find it difficult, you can post it in the comment box, or you can write to me in my mail ID, and I would surely include that if that's a good question. Otherwise I would just send you the solution. Okay bachcho, so this is all from my side today, and let's move ahead with today's class. So today's class is all about before moving to today's class, let us discuss the previous class homework question. So the question was, the number of students who can play is more by A than the number of students who can dance, and the number of students who can do both playing and singing is more by B than the number of students who can do both singing and dancing. What is the difference of students who can only dance and who can only play? So bachcho, as you can see here, this is a problem of Venn diagram, and I have given you one advanced level problem so that you will get to know what maximum difficulty we can expect from NTSE, and this is the maximum difficulty you can expect. Okay, not more than that. And if you have cracked this question, then your preparation is going on really well with Venn diagrams. Okay, and all the topics. So those who are answering daily for all the questions, you are doing really well bachcho. So let's look at this homework question. And we have the number of students who can play is more by A number of students than who can dance. The number of students who can do both playing and singing is more by B than the number of students who can do both singing and dancing. And what is the difference between the number of students who can only dance and who can only play? So we know ki sir, the Venn diagram would be something like playing, singing and dancing. Some students can do any two activities, and some students can do all the three activities. So bachcho, let us say the Venn diagram will look something like this. Let us say that the Venn diagram will look something like this. Okay, this, let us say play, sing and dance. Okay, and let us say those who can only play is P, those who can only sing is Q, those who can only dance is R, those who can do only playing and singing is S, those who can do only playing and dancing is T, those who can do only singing and dancing is U, and those who can do all three is, let us say, V. So this is the region I have divided. Now bachcho, let us see. They are saying those who can play is more by A than the number of students who can dance. So how many can play? Sir, I can say playing number of students who can play is P plus S plus T plus V. So I will say ki sir, those who can play is more than the number of students who can dance. A more than. So those students who can dance plus A. So the number of students who can play is P plus S plus T plus V is equal to those who can dance is, how many can dance? Sir, R plus U plus T plus V. R plus U plus T plus V, and this is E plus A. They both are equal. So let us see, can we cancel something out? So as you can see बच्चों, we can cancel this T with this T, this V with this V. So you will be getting the final equation as P plus S minus R minus U is equal to A. This is bachcho your first equation. This is your first equation, right? Now let us go for the next part. The next part of the question is telling you ki sir, those who can do both playing and singing, how many can do both playing and singing? Sir, both playing and singing, the common part is S plus V. So those who can do playing and singing, S plus V is more by B than the number of students who can do both singing and dancing. Singing and dancing are done by V plus U and plus B, because those who can do both playing and singing is B more than those who can do singing and dancing. Okay, playing and singing, singing and dancing. So from here bachcho, as you can see ki I will cancel this V. This V can get cancelled. So if I cancel this V here, you will be getting S minus U is equal to B. This is my second equation bachcho. This is what? My second equation. Now what do I want? I want to find out the difference between the number of students who can only dance and who can only play. How many can only dance? Sir, R number of students can only dance. How many can only play? Sir, P number of students can only play. So I need to find out what is R minus P. Okay, R minus P. And as you can see, all the options are in A and B. So we have to use some method to create R minus P. How can we create R minus P, bachcho? Now, as you can see, bachcho, ki A is having plus S and B is having plus S. B is having minus U and C is having minus U. So if I subtract both S and U will get cancelled and you will be getting P minus R, which is R minus P. Okay, so bachcho, I can say ki sir, if I do B minus A, if I do B minus A, in that case what will happen? See here, S minus U, okay, is equal to S minus U. Now minus of what is A? Sir, P plus S minus R minus U. So now let us open the bracket. So S minus U minus P minus S plus R plus U. So you can see bachcho, minus U to plus U got cancelled, plus S to minus S got cancelled, and you got R minus P. So R minus P is equal to what, bachcho? What? B minus A. And suppose if this R is, let us say, smaller, so in that case you will get, so we will do P minus R. So in that case you will be getting A minus B. So this answer will be either A minus B or B minus A. That means your option D will be the correct answer. That's it. The answer is either A minus B or B minus A. So this is how you have to solve this question. It was a bit tricky, but can be done if you have understood the question properly. Okay, chalo. So let's move to the next part of this question. So let me tell you the name of the star students who has given me the correct answer, and we have got the correct answer from Rupesh, Sajita, Sandeep, Harris, Kunal, Kishore, Surendra, Ritesh, Ranjini, Sanvi, Simi, Ramesh, Raj, Reena, Vishal, Mahendra, Rishabh, Vatalya, Achintya, Shivam, Pramod, Naveed, and Nakusa, Jagannath, Sadhana, and Thomachan. Then Adarsh, Nirvika, Adya, Parth, Umesh, Sampath, Harsh, Saksham, Varalakshmi, Kanan, Pranav, Hiral, Anu, Bhupendra, Madhav, Kashish, Unknown Reveals, and Technoboys. So bachcho, this is the number of students who has given me the correct answer. I'm really happy, those who have given the correct answer. And now let's move to today's topic, which is counting number of figures and input output. So counting number of figures is, they will give you a complex figure and they will tell you ki acha batao how many lines are there, how many triangles are there, how many rectangles are there. And the next type is input output. So input output, they will tell you ki acha bachcho batao, there is a machine, so if I give this input, what should be the output? Okay, so there is a pattern they will show. So you have to identify the pattern. Same thing, you have to identify the pattern. Now let's move ahead. First question, find the number of straight lines required to make the given figure. Now these number of, when the straight lines are asked na bachcho, these questions are very easy. These questions are very easy. Okay, so let us first count these straight lines. So this is my first second, third. 3 I have got from here. Then first, second, third, fourth. 4 I am got from here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 I have got from here. So 4 plus 4 plus 3 will be 8 plus 3, which is equal to 11. So your correct answer will be 11. Okay, so simply, as you can see, I have just counted the number of lines and I have got my figure. Okay, bachcho, chalo. So the correct answer will be 11. Okay, chalo. You don't do the part, okay, ki this will you will consider as one line A is one line EG. No, total straight lines, straight lines. So when the straight lines is there, you don't consider parts. Let's go for the next question. So the next question will be, what is the number of straight lines in the following figure? Again, bachcho, you have to find out the number of straight lines. So let us count it. So let us first count the vertical ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus. Let us count the horizontal ones. 1, 2, 3 plus 3. Okay, plus 3 plus. Now let us count the oblique ones. So first count this way. So you'll be getting 1, 2, 3. And let us count now this way. 2, 3. So as you can see, 9 plus 5 is 14. So the correct answer will be 14. So step by step, if we'll go, it will be better. Okay, and use a pencil if possible, so that you can erase that part again and it will be easy to visible. So the correct answer will be 14. Okay, chalo, let's move to the next kind of question. Find the number of triangles in the given figure. Now in this figure, you have to find out the number of triangles. Okay, bachcho. So first part, I will always say, in this kind of, name each and every figure, every small unit, name it. So let us say I will name it as, sir, let us say, okay, so let me make a bigger diagram so that you can easily look at this part. So then okay, so this is the figure, I think. Yes, this is the figure. Okay, so now let us name each and every small unit. Every small unit. So this is my first unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have named each and every small unit. Now first start with the small unit, the single unit, which are triangles. So when I have only one figure, when I'm having only one figure, how many one figures are triangle itself? So I will say that 1 is a triangle, 2 is a triangle, 3 is a triangle, then 4 and 5 are not triangles, 6 is a triangle, 7 is a triangle, 8 is a triangle. So 1, 2, 3, 7, 6, 8. Okay, so one figure is 1, 2, 3, 7, 6 and 8. Okay, so here you can say ki sir, total 6 triangles I have got from here, when only one figure I am considering. Now do the combination. Any two figures you have to combine and you have to get triangles. Any two figures you have to combine and you have to get the triangles. So now bachcho, let us combine the figures. So first thing, to you can say ki sir 2 plus 3 will be 1. So now we are talking about two figures. Okay, so you can say ki sir 2 plus 3 will be one triangle. Similarly 6 plus 7 will be one triangle. Similarly 6 plus 7 will be one triangle. Then you can say ki sir 4 plus 7 will be one triangle. See here, 4 and 7 is becoming one triangle. And then you will say ki sir, similarly 3 and 5 will also be one triangle. Okay, so how many triangles you have got? Is there any other possibility by joining two diagrams? So no, there is no other possibility by joining two diagrams. So we are getting total 4 triangles. Total 4 triangles. Now let us combine 3 figures. Now let us combine 3 figures. So if I combine bachcho 3 figures, one is 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8, if I combine, it will give me one triangle. Okay, and here, is it giving me a triangle? Nope. Then here 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6, same way 2, 4, 7. Same way, 2, 4, 7. Is there any other possibility of 3 combination of 3? No sir. Now let us go for the combination of 4 figures. 4 figures if I combine bachcho, so 4 figures if I am combining, so I will get one triangle which is what? 1, 2, 4, 7. So it will give you one triangle. So overall, is there any other possibility by combining 5 figures or 6 figures? As you can see, 5 or 6 figures or 7 figures, whenever you are combining now, you are not getting any triangle. You are not getting any triangle. So the number of triangles is 6 plus 4 plus 3, 13 plus 1, 14. So overall 14 triangles. So option 14 is correct. Now what I am telling you na, ki if I am suppose solving this question, I know ki the maximum value in this question, the maximum number of triangles can be 14. So I will always keep a count. I got 6, then I got 4, 10. That means A and A is not the answer. Then I got this 3, so I got to know ki sir 6 plus 4 plus 13. 13 triangles I have already got. So neither A is answer, B is answer, C is answer. So only D is left. Okay. So no need to solve till the end. If the answers are quite far away, just keep your eyes on the maximum answer and try to reach there. Okay, bachcho. So this is how this question can be solved. Chalo, let's take one more question for an example. Find the number of triangles in this given figure. So we have to again find out the number of triangles in this given figure. So again, I will draw a bigger triangle for your reference. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So as I have told you bachcho, ki first thing we will be doing will be what? Naming each and every unit. So name each and every unit. So let us say sir, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What they are asking? Find the number of triangles in this given figure. Number of triangles you need. So first thing to bachcho, first I have told you 1 unit, only single unit. So only single unit if you are taking, you can say ki sir 1 and 2 is triangle, 3 and 4 is triangle, 5 and 6 is also a triangle. So total 6 triangles we have got. Let us combine 2 figures now. Now if I combine 2 figures, first possibility is 1, 2. Second possibility which I getting is 3, 4. Third possibility which I am getting is 5, 6. Then 2, 4, 1, 3. Two, 4, 1, 3, 4, 6, 3, 5. Is there any other possibility? No sir, all these. So again when I combine 6 figures, I am getting 6 triangles. Now see, 6 plus 6 is 12. So 11 to cannot be the answer. 11 cannot be the answer. Okay, now let us combine 3 triangles. Let us combine 3 triangles. And I can see ki bachchon, if I am combining 3 triangles, 2, 4, 6 and 1, 3, 5. And 1, 3, 5. So how many triangles I am getting from here? 2 triangles. Is there any other possibility with 3 triangles? 2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 5? No sir. Now let us combine 4 triangles. So if I combine, 4 units. So if I combine 4 units, you can see one is there, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is one triangle more. So how many you are getting? 6 plus 6 is 12, 13, 14 and 1, 15. Now the 13 is also wrong. 15 or 17 can be correct. Now let us try to look for one more triangle. If any one more triangle is there, I can say ki sir 17 is correct answer because 16 is not here, right? So now if you look at here carefully, you will see that there is no other possibility. You cannot combine 5 figures and get a new triangle. Okay, but it is very important that you look at each and every possibility of 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so now we can see that sir, no sir, we cannot form any other triangle by combination of any more shapes. So 15 will be the correct answer. So 15 will be the correct answer. Okay, so this is how, just divide it into smaller units and keep adding the figure. First write those individually who are triangles, then say ki those who are triangles by combining 2, then by combining 3, then by combining 4, and whenever you're going for the smaller numbers, combining 2, combining 3, just stress your brain a lot, because that time many times you will not be able to see many patterns. Okay, because sometimes many will, what happen, you will see 1 2 3 4 and 5 6, but you forget that 2 4 is also a triangle, 4 6 is also a triangle, 1 3 is also a triangle, 3 5 is also a triangle. Understood? So we should not leave it. That is why I'm telling you, practice more questions. Practice is the key here. Okay, but the method is this. Okay, try to divide it into smaller units and then do by combination. Okay, bachcho, chalo. So the correct answer, as we can see from here, is 15 triangles. Let's move to the next question. Find the number of rectangles. Find the number of rectangles. So again, as you know, we will divide it into smaller units. We will divide it into smaller units. Okay, chalo. So let us divide it into smaller units. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now all 8 are rectangles. All 8 are rectangles. So by one only single unit I have got 8 rectangles. Single unit I have got 8 rectangles. Now let us combine 2. Let us combine 2. So in this part, bachcho, if you start combining 2 first, so you can see 1 2 7 8. Okay, 1 2 7 8. 1 2 7 8. Then here, now this cannot be combined with the third one, because then if you combine this with other, it will be the combination of 3 figures. So we are not calculating that right now, and this method helps because we do not overcount, or we do not count anything twice, because we are going shape by shape, ki 2 figures 3 figures this way. So now I cannot combine them with anyone else. So now let us combination here, use the combination here. So one will be 3 4, then it will be 4 5, and then it will be 5 6. Is there any other possibility? No, sir. So how many you have got? Total 6 rectangles more. So 8 plus 6 is 14. Chalo, all options are more than 14, so we have to go dig further. Okay, chalo. So now see, remember bachcho, when the options are so much near, the questions is bit difficult for you, because sometimes even if you lose a small point there, you'll gotta lose a mark. Okay, so be very careful while solving this question, and I would suggest keep the time left is very less. Skip it at the second round of solving. I have told you how do you attempt the paper. 2 rounds of solving. First round, within 100 minutes you have to complete the whole paper, so that all the easy questions you have already answered, all the easy or mediocre questions you have already answered, and then the rest 20 minutes you will only utilize for the difficult sums, so that you are already in the merit part, ki those which are easy or medium you have solved and you got marks there. Now hard ones which are difficult for all, so there you have to fight for the merit, but selection is pakka till then. Okay, chalo. So now 2 parts we have done. Now let us do the combination of 3 rectangles, 3 shapes. So first thing, to 3 shapes you can see ki sir 1 2 and 3, and from here 6 7 and 8. Now after that though, these are of no use to me. Now let us do the combination of 3. So one will be 3 4 5, other will be 4 5 6. So how many I have got from here, bachcho? 8 plus 6 plus 4. 4 rectangles I have got. So 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 4 is, wait, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then 1 2 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5. Acha, it is 5 only. It is 5. It is 5 only. It is 5 only. 1 2 3 4 5, and here 1 2 3 4. So what we have got? 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. So this, now these two, and one more you can see clearly. Ki sir, one more can be formed. 3 4 5 6. So it was a very easy question. 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1. So you will be getting total 18 rectangles. So 18 is the correct answer. Okay. So this is how, when you divide the question in the smaller units, it becomes very easy to solve these kind of questions. Chalo, let's move to the next kind of question, bachcho. So the next question we have is, how many square does this figure have? How many square does this figure have? Okay, so again I have told you, bachcho, ki do the partition one by one. Okay, so let us count them one by one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, as you can see बच्चों कि a single unit, all the single unit are triangles. All the single unit are triangles. All the single unit are triangles. So when all the single unit are triangles, there is no point of doing one triangle. Like, let us start with the combination of two. So when I start with combination of two figures, one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 squares I have got when I am doing combination of 2. Is there any other possibility by combination of 2? No sir, there is no other possibility. Now let us see. Combination of 3. Will the combination of 3 result? No. Now let us look at the combination of 4. So if I combine 4 shapes, am I getting a square? Yes sir. 4, 5, 10 and 11. 4, 5, 10 and 11 is giving you a square here. Right? So when I combine 4, I am getting 4, 5, 10 and 11. Is there any other possibility? Is there any other possibility? No. So, no sir. So only one. Now 5, again they don't make sense. Now I can see 2 larger squares by this. One is here and one is here. Okay, so 2 more. And then I can see there is no other possibility. So I will say 6 plus 1 plus 2. You will be getting total 9 squares. So 9 will be the correct answer. Okay, because squares is quite easy to find. Okay, the most difficult is the number of triangles. So that makes very much that makes it quite difficult. Chalo. So let's move to the next question. The correct answer is 9. Let's move to the next part. How many parallelograms are there in the given figure? How many parallelograms are there in this given figure? So let us again name it, bachcho. As you know, what do? We will start with the naming of these things. Okay, chalo. So let us name it. So sir, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 12, 13, 14. So 14 single units I have right now. Let us start with 1 unit. Those who are with only 1 unit, they are parallelograms. So how many are there, sir? 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, no, and then 13. So total 4 parallelograms I have got. Total 4 parallelograms I have got. Now let us combine 2. So first you can see कि sir 2 and 3. First so you can see is sir 2 and 3, and then down to it is with 3, in between it is 4, and here also 4, here also 4. See, this is the hidden. It takes some times to notice. 6, 8. Okay, so one more, 6, 8. So total 2 parallelograms. Okay, total 2 parallelograms. Now let us combine 3. So if I do the combination of 3, bachcho, you can see 1, 2 and 3 is one pair, and the other pair is 12, 13, 14. So how many you have got? 2 parallelograms, because in the middle it won't work. Okay, now let us take the combination of 4. So when I take the combination of 4, bachcho, you can see first is 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly 8, 9, 10, 11. Similarly, as you can see, bachcho, here 5, 6, 8, 11. This will also be a parallelogram. 5, 6, 8, 11 will also be a parallelogram. And this 7, 6, 8, 9 will also be a parallelogram. 7, 6, 8, 9 will also be a parallelogram. So total you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 parallelograms more. So now where we are count is reached, 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 4 is 12. So we are still quite far from the options. Okay. So now as you can see bachon ki if we'll move, we will combine more and more parallelograms. So now then you can see ki by 5 will it happen or not. So now I need I have got already 12. Okay, so I need more. So now bachon we can do the combination of 5, combination of 6, combination of 7. So I will just show you these things. Okay, so I will just show you the answer slide. Okay, so by combination of 5 figures, and I will show you here how they are doing it. Okay, I will show it quickly here. So 5 figure parallelograms are 2. Which are 2? I will just show you here. This is one 5 figure parallelogram, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and one more 5 figure parallelogram is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are your 5 figure parallelograms which are 2, and 8 figure parallelogram is this, the middle one. So overall you will be getting total 15 as your answer. Overall 15 will be your answer. Okay bachcho, chalo. So now let's move. Count the number of triangles and squares in the given figure. So again this question can be solved again quite easily. The number of squares you can count quite easily. Ki sir, this is your first. The number of squares also you can count quite easily. Ki sir, this is your first. Okay. Second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So that means these two options are wrong. Now 26 or 28 triangles. So now you have to find out the number of triangles. You have to find out the number of triangles, and if you will count the number of triangles, you will see that there are total 28 triangles. What are those? I have just shown it here. Okay, it's all shown here. By simplest one, 12 triangles you will be getting. By combining 2, you will be getting 9 triangles. By combining 4, you will be getting 6 triangles. And only one triangle AC composed of 8 components. So when you will combine them, you will be getting total 28 as your answer. You can solve this. Try it on your own. I have just shown this part also. And the question slide also I have shown so that you can check it properly. Okay, bachcho. So take a screenshot. If you are not sure about it, take this figure screenshot and take this answer screenshot, and you can match whether it is correct or not. Now the next part of questions, this is your homework question. Find out the number of rectangles in the given figure given below. Find the number of rectangles in the figure given below. So this is the figure given below bachcho, and you have to find out the number of rectangles. This is your homework question. I will ask you in the next, give the answer in the next part. Now input output questions. Okay bachcho, so input output questions is what? Ki they will give you a pattern like this. They will give you a pattern like this. You have to first identify ki bhaiya what is the pattern. Once you have identified that sir this is the pattern, then on the same pattern they will ask you continuously 3 or 4 questions on the same basis. So let us see what is the pattern here. The number arranged is like this. Input is 48, 245, 182, 26, 99, 542, 378, 297. So first what they have done, see bachcho, 542 they have shifted here, and then rest they have kept same. See 48, 245, 182, 26, 99 and 542 is shifted ahead. So 378, 297. Now what is the next shifting? Next shifting you can do, you can see is 26. As you can see 540 is the largest number and then 26 is the smallest number. So they are arranging in largest, smallest, second largest, second smallest, third largest, third smallest. See, as you can see. Then they are doing the second largest, then third smallest. Okay, third smallest was already there, so they have done the shifting or fourth largest as well. Okay, and then they have done the shifting of this 99 and you have already got the pair. So ultimately they are doing largest, smallest, second largest, second smallest, third largest, third smallest, fourth largest, fourth smallest. In this pattern we got to know how the machine works. Any number you will give inside, it will arrange it in the way largest, smallest, second smallest, third largest, third smallest, and so on. Okay, so now any question they will give, it will be very easy for us. How? Let's solve this question. Okay, what will be the already solution is written. What will be the fourth step for an input whose second step is given below? This is the second step. So if it is the second step, I know by the second step this is the largest and this is the smallest. Now the next part will be the second largest. What will be the second largest bachcho here? 542. So sir 542 should come here. So I can say ki sir my series will be 765, 42 and then the second largest is 542 This will be the third step, 542. And what is the second smallest? 65. 542 and 65 shifted here. After that, what is left? 183, 289, then 110, 350. 110 and 350. So which is the series given below? 765, 42, 542, 542, 65. And after that I want 183. 183, where is 183? Here. 183, 289, it is given 29. 29, acha, it is mistake. 289 only. 110 and at the end 350. So we have to keep the same order. Chalo. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, what should be the third step of the following inputs? Third step. So this input is this. Let us find out what should be the step 1. Step 1, what is the largest number here? 495. So 495 will be the first place. Second, the smallest. Then after that, as it is. So 495, put it at the first. 239, 123, 58, 361 and 37. Second step will be, bachcho, get this 37 at the second place. Now as it is, 239, 123, 58 and 361. Third step, which is required, 495, 37. Now I want the second largest. What is the second largest number, bachcho? 239 is already here. Second largest number, 361. 361 is there, yaar. 361, then 239, then 123 and then 58. So what is the option matching? 495, 37, 361, then 239. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, so this is how we find out the match. How many steps will be required to get to the final output? Okay, so now as I can quickly show you, 39, 88, this is the part. So first step will be getting the first one at the first place. So my first step is 450 and rest as it is, 39, 88, 162, 386, 72, 29. The next step will be, bacho, for me, next step will be 450 and get this 29 here. And then 39, 88, 162, 386 and 72. The third step, the second largest is 386. So third step will be 450 into 29, then 29, then 386, then as it is 39, 88, 162 and 72. Okay, now see what happens. Now sometimes they are already in the order. Now you can see ki 39 here is the second smallest and which is already in the order. So now I will not do any shifting here. Now let's go for the next step. So now should be the third largest, which is 162 should come here. So fourth step will be 450, 29, 386, 39, they are already arranged. Then 162, third largest, and 88 and 72. Now one more shifting has to be done for this 72 and 88. So total 5 steps. Total 5 steps I need, none of these. Okay, total 5 steps I need, none of these. So these questions are very easy, bachcho. Just find out the pattern of the machine and then you will get your answers. What will be the last step of the following input? Last step of this following input. So I know, ki sir, it will be in the like largest, smallest, second largest, second smallest. So what is the largest number here, bachcho? The largest number, as you can see, is 348. 348 will be at the first place. Then the smallest is 28. Okay, then the second largest is 326. Then the second smallest is after 28, it is 158. Then after that, as you can see, the next largest is 279. And after that, 236. Okay, so what we have got? The correct answer will be 348, 28, 326, 158, 279, 236. So option C is your correct answer. Option C, 279. Option C was not 236, it was 326. I saw this part wrong. Option A is correct answer. Okay, option A is correct answer. Okay, chalo. So this is how you have to find out the pattern. Simple, nothing else. So bachcho, in the following step, this step, then which of the following step will be this? So you have to see how many arrangements are done already. How many arrangements are done. So when you will see the pattern, bachcho, you can see here, sir, first, if this is the input, this is first step, 785 is already there, shift 32 only. then shift 426, and then shift 49, and this is the required part. So now I can see कि sir this is the fourth step. Okay, so the following step I can say कि sir this is the fourth step. Chalo, let's move to the next question. Acha, this is all in today's class. So as you can see, input output questions are damn easy. Okay, they are quite easy. Just identify the pattern, and the pattern is something like this only, either smallest largest, or the ascending order or descending order, like this. These kind of patterns are always there. Just identify them and then solve those questions, and counting number of figures, break them into the smaller units and then make the combinations. Okay bachcho, so this is all in today's session. Do download Vedantu's apps because you are getting their free doubt solving facility, study material, as well as the schedule of the master classes. Okay, so bachcho, this is all from my side. Any query, any doubts you are having, you can reach out to me at gopal.paliwal@vedantu.com. also like, share and subscribe to this video, and again let us make a target of 150 likes. Is it okay? Let's see 150 likes, can we reach or not? Okay bachcho, so this is all from my side in today's class. I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, bye bye, good night. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.